anybody who travels with us, I really hope that they take this place home with them in their heart. So our trips aren't designed just to be a checklist of, I saw this, I saw that, tick, tick, tick. It's a physical journey, but it's more than a physical journey. It's an appreciation of what a truly remote and rugged and wild and pristine place looks like. I think that we all need a place in the world that we can close our eyes and just know exists, and it's intact and it's safe. And my hope for our guests is that they have found that here, and they can, when they get into a busy or stressful cycle in their lives back at home, that they can just find some peace, because they know that this place is here and that they can remember what that feels like to be quiet in nature and just listen, and that wonderful feeling of being small and insignificant.